always been told to love myself. I try, but I can never understand.
Hi everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about probiotics, fermented and pickled vegetables, and that's what I've done today with the tomatoes and green beans that I've picked out of my garden. This is the last of the tomatoes for the tomato season, so I thought why not then pickle and ferment some of the leftovers so that you can have on your keto diet. So without any further ado, I will show you in this video how to pickle vegetables and tomatoes predominantly. So if you're interested, please keep watching. Okay, so let's get started. For this recipe in pickling these vegetables here, we're going to need green tomatoes and some fresh green beans, and they've all come from my garden. We've got some bay leaf, cold water, garlic, rock salt and peppercorns. And of course you're going to need a pickling jar. So first things first, I'm going to just put in all of the vegetables. I've cut the tomatoes in half so that the salt can penetrate. And I'm going to add the bay leaf. Eating fermented foods is one of the best ways to increase the amount and variety of beneficial bacteria in the gut, and some examples of fermented food can be sauerkraut, miso, kefir, yogurt, sour cream, brewed ginger ale, cottage cheese, whey, buttermilk, tempeh, kimchi, kombucha. Kombucha is one of the favorite drinks that I like, the ginger lemon kind, and more general term referring to the ways preserving food in acid, and hence why I've used some apple cider vinegar in my pickling recipe today. So on that note everybody, I hope you enjoyed watching me make these pickled vegetables today in my kitchen, and if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up and make sure you click the notification bell for all the upcoming videos. The pickles should be ready in a couple of days, so I'm looking forward to trying my own vegetables that I've grown in the garden, and I shall look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thanks again for watching. Bye for now.